In order to move, press and hold the big button. Choose any position with the green pointer and release the button. To interact with an object, touch it with the controller and press the trigger button. If you are holding an object, you may put it into a highlighted area by pressing trigger again. This is the oil from a new drill we've drilled today. I have to test it in order to make sure everything is okay. Right, I have to take the vial with the oil, place it on the test machine and begin automatic testing with the start button. What happened? Something must have exploded. Okay, I must act just as I was taught in the emergency training. I must find the oxygen mask, put it on, and leave the lab as soon as possible.
Attention! Dangerous situation has emerged. Leave the room immediately and get to the lifeboats for evacuation.
I need to put the life vest on because the boat will soon start lowering down. I have to pull down the lever and get on the boat. It seems that lowering down will start in 10 seconds.